So you want to know how to grow on YouTube and how to get more subscribers? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you one of my channels and show you exactly what I was able to do with this channel in just over 1 year. So make sure that you watch this entire video because it's going to be a good one. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I'm going to be teaching you how to grow on YouTube, how to make a lot of money and have the best impact through hyper optimization. I'll be giving you everything I know about YouTube and everything I have learned and how I have built a really sustainable business utilizing YouTube. I'm going to give you all the secrets, all the tips, all the hints. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon so that you get notified every time I bring out a brand new video for you to grow on YouTube. So with that being said, let's have a look at what I'll be showing you throughout the course of this channel. Now, I want to go over to here and I'll take you to one of my other channels that I've got. For those of you that know me, it's Smart Money Tactics. It's a make money online niche that I've had for over a year that I've helped build to some really good results. Now, as you can see, this is the last 28 days of results. So what I'm going to be doing on my new channel is I'm going to be teaching you how to get more views. I'll be teaching you how to get some really good watch time. So if you haven't hit that monetization level yet, I'll help you get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers. So that way you can monetize your channel and you can start to make money online just like this. Okay guys, so this is just my AdSense revenue over the last 28 days, and I'll be showing you all the tips, all the tricks so that you can do something very similar regardless of what niche you are in. I'm also going to show you how you can rank your videos, how to do some really good hyper optimization to make sure that your video is going to rank, whether it's through search or suggested, okay? And what that means is that if anybody goes and searches for one of these particular search terms, your video will come up, or YouTube is going to push your video up in the suggested area of YouTube, which means that they're going to push your video. And there's a number of reasons they're going to do that. They'll do it because of the click-through rate. They'll do it because of your watch time. And there's a number of factors, and I'll be covering off everything on this channel. So like I said, consider subscribing and smashing that identification icon, because I'll be coming out with some really good stuff. And I'll also show you how to double down, what I call doubling down and making money with affiliate marketing and all the good stuff. Okay, guys, there's so much to come on this channel. Like I said, I'll teach you how to make some really good money online with your new channel. Okay, so if you want to know how to grow on YouTube, if you want to make some really good money online, I'm going to be posting 3 times a week. So consider subscribing. And as always, make sure that you comment. Give me some ideas of what you'd like to see. Give me some ideas of what you'd like for me to show you, and I'll be more than happy to do that. For those of you that know me from my Smart Money Tactics channel, know that I try and reply back to every single comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's just introductory to something that's going to be really, really big, and I hope to help you grow your YouTube channel as well. Until my next video, you stay safe and goodbye.